Just appreciating my local lake. It's a pretty decent lake for being 20 minutes from home. I'm liking looking at all these pontoon boats. This is, there's the snackle box. Little place where you can get a sandwich. I was thinking I bet that building could withstand a tornado. It's all stone. Or the Three Little Pigs. The house that would stay standing. Anyway, I'm just in the dock area. I like looking at stuff. It's not too shabby. Not too shabby. It's like seeing what kind of pontoon boat I would want. I don't want a pontoon boat, but it's fun to see which one's your favorite. Anyway, a beautiful August day in Kansas.